Happy morning, children. How are you, ma? I'm fine, beta. Today I'm going to teach you special clothes, about special clothes and uniform. Do you know uniform, ma? Yes. Do you wear uniform to the school? How you come to school, Nana? You wear uniform, no? In the uniform only you have to come to school every day. But nowadays you are not coming, no? So when you are coming to school, you wear uniform, no, beta? Yes, Nana. One thing. Tell me, beta. How do you identify a policeman in a crowd? How do you recognize that policeman, Nana? Yes, of course he wear the dress. Then you have to different dress. So different people wear different dress. Policeman wear different dress. Doctor wear different dress. Postman wear different dress. Like that you have to identify the particular person. No, Nana. So I am going to teach you about the uniform only, Nana. Uniform means special kind of clothes, Nana. Okay. Now some clothes tell us about the work of a person. No, but a security wear different color, and watchman wear different color, and like doctor. No, Nana. Yes. And these clothes are called uniforms. Different work people wear the different clothes. Then you have to identify the uniform. Uniforms are special kind of clothes. Uniforms are special kind of clothes. Teacher wear the uniform, beta? No. Children wear uniform. No, Nana. Yes. We wear a uniform when we come to school. Yes. When you are coming to the school, you have to wear all the students same kind of uniform only. No, beta? Yes. And in some schools the children do not wear a uniform. In some schools they do not wear a uniform. Look at these uniforms. Have you seen anywhere, beta? Here some pictures are there, beta. You have to identify and see who is that and what kind of uniform they wear. She is a nurse. She is a nurse. What she wear, beta? She wear skirt, cap. No, beta. So you have to identify she is a nurse. No, beta. And here she is a soldier. He works in army. Soldier works in army, beta. See army man how he wear. He wear different kind of cloth, beta. No, Nana. Yes. Then you have to identify he is a army man, soldier. Okay. Now postman. Postman, no? And army dresses are same, beta? No. Different dresses. No, beta? Yes. And here policeman. Do you see policeman, Nana? Yes. No. So policeman and soldier, postman uniforms are same, Nana? No. Different. And fireman. See the fireman? Fireman dress, beta? Yes. And doctor. How you have to recognize the doctor, beta, in a hospital? See, in a hospital, doctor wears stethoscope and uniform. See, beta. Then you have to identify the doctor. No, Nana. Now here, see, Nana. Matchings are given, beta. Some pictures are there. You have to identify and you have to read and do the matching. Okay, Nana. Here first nurse is there. I save people from fire. Who saved the people, beta, from the fire, Nana? The police and the fireman, beta. Yes, fireman. Fireman saved the people from fire. So where is the fireman in this picture, Nana? You have to see. So Ena, Sina, Ina, E. So you have to match here to here to here. You have to match. Second one, I take care of people who are not well. Who is not well? They are become sick. So who will look after them, beta? Yes. Who is that? Nurse. I take care of people who are not well. Nurse. You have to match here. I protect our city from danger. Who protect our city? City means police will protect. Country means soldier will help, beta. Protect, Nana. Okay. I protect our city from danger means policeman. You have to match policeman. I protect our country from outside dangers. outside dangers, who will protect from country, our country ma? So he is soldier. He is soldier. You have to match this one. I help the doctor take care of the people who are not well. I help the doctor. Okay, Nana. Here I take care of people who are not well means doctor. C1. Second one C1 beta. Second one C1 and fourth one A1. Fourth one A1 Nana. Okay Nana. I help the doctor to take care. Who help the doctor Nana? Nurse will be helpful. The doctor help the doctor beta. Okay. I bring letters to you. Who will bring the letters for us Nana? Postman brings us letters. Okay. Where is the postman? He. Yes. First one B1. So you have to match sixth one and B1. Okay Nana, you have to match this one. Learn again. You have to read this one and do the matching properly. Okay Nana, uniform means special clothes. Uniform means special clothes. I will write here some spellings beta. You have to read Nana. Police, police, man, policeman. Fire, fire, man, fireman. And SOLDIER, soldier. POSTMAN, postman. NURSE, nurse. DOCTOR, doctor. Who I am Nana? I am teacher. They wear the uniforms Nana. Teacher wear uniform Nana? No. Okay. Okay. You have to write this one. Fireman, soldier, postman, nurse and doctor. No need. Okay Nana, you have to write down in the book beta these spellings you have to learn Nana. Okay Nana. So uniform means a kind of clothes to identify the particular person. You have to identify the person. That's why they wear the different kind of clothes, uniform clothes Nana. Okay ma. Okay, bye beta. Take care ma.